When you start your business and you create a brand new PayPal to go with your business, it's most likely going to get banned the moment you get consistent sales. And this is very normal. Everyone goes through this situation. And in today's video, I'm going to literally show you guys what to do, how it's normal, how to go ahead and deal with it, and what I recommend all my students. Here's a segment from our mastermind group, weekly mastermind group coaching calls with all my students. If you guys want to be a part of that, click the links below. I want to turn you into one of my many success stories. Other than that, let's get right into the tutorial.
The second one is about PayPal holds. So previously I've made some sales, but all of it is still on hold in my PayPal business account. Do I have to upload any tracking number to make sure they remove the hold before like 21 days, or do I have to wait for 21 days for the to get the money out?
Got it. So I think this one is regarding to new beginner, you just created your PayPal account, PayPal holds your funds. So yes, one, you want to upload tracking. I think in the emails they send you, they recommend that. So you want to go ahead and do that. Two, just wait the 21 days. And I think those are the two things you can do. And I think the third thing is sometimes PayPal ask for some extra information, ask for your business number, ask for your address, ask for your, personal details, or ask for an ID. Give them whatever they request.
Okay, so if I upload the tracking number, is it possible for me to get the money out earlier than 21 days, or do I still have to wait?
If you upload your tracking number, you still have to wait for the tracking to say that the product has arrived for the money to come back in. Now, after probably you sort of have your PayPal account 2 to 3+ months old, then all these issues would disappear. As you get more and more orders, you'll find that the newer incoming orders will have no hold and you can withdraw straight away. All the initial transactions for your brand new PayPal account will be held.
Okay, so this is just like beginners' problems.
Correct. This is PayPal's way of verifying new users.
As you can see, straight to the point, like it's very normal. You want to give them all the evidence they look for, give them what they need, wait for your account to get verified, and after that, you're good to go. Like it's literally that simple. I don't know why people stress about it so much, but we have a whole module just for PayPal and Stripe bans in our program, just because I know a lot of people go through this situation and I want my program to cover everything. So if you guys want to be a part of it, click the links below. Other than that, let's go ahead and announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me. The winners here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like this video, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Question of the day: are there any other steps that you take when PayPal holds your funds? Let me know. Thank you so much for the support. I want to say thank you for your time. Please hit the subscribe button. Please like this video. That's all I ask for. I just give a lot of value completely for free. I don't ask for anything. So please help me with those two things. I really want to grow this channel and really reach and impact more people. And I can't do that without your help. So I want to say thank you. And I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with nothing but more value. That's the end of today's video. Peace.